Paper-based pick systems were good enough when you assembled the same product all day long. But as customization has grown, paper systems cannot keep up. Traditional pick-to-light systems can help with modern custom manufacturing, but being hardwired makes install difficult and reconfiguring a nightmare. You need to get the right parts to the right place in the right sequence every time. Introducing the Panasonic Logiscend Pick Application, an Internet of Things pick-to-tag solution that's easy to install, reconfigure, use, and manage. Our wireless Panasonic View tags enable faster pick zone setup. Just peel and stick. The intuitive Logiscend software and wireless hardware aids quick configuration of new parts and the redefining of picking zones to respond to demand, volume, and model changes. Our hands-free, paperless process requires minimal training and improves picking speed and accuracy. The combination of IoT and e-paper view tags provides two-way communication. Operators receive visual instructions such as quantity and cart bin location and then confirm finished pick. Intelligent manager dashboards help reveal needed action in real time. And seamless integration with your ERP MES systems helps you use this information to increase efficiency and reduce costs. The Panasonic's Pick-to-Tag solution is the smartest way to manage high-volume picking for just-in-sequence manufacturing. And it's just one module of the Panasonic Logiscend family of applications that help you manage your entire material flow.